Search is changing. Earlier, we used to search on Google, open website and find answers. But now, people are directly asking AI engines like ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude and Perplexity. And these platforms don't show links. They give direct answers with sources and citations. So, if your brand is not optimized for AI engines, it simply won't appear in those answers. That's exactly why we built Blazely GEO, which is Generative Engine Optimization. Blazely GEO helps you make your brand visible referred by LLM platforms. It's not just about ranking on Google anymore. It's about being visible inside AI-generated responses. Now let me quickly walk through the features. First, projects. For checking your project's GEO score, you first need to create a project. Start by clicking on Create Project, then enter your project name, add a short project description, and paste your website URL. Once you submit the details, a project will be successfully created. Now, you can go to the dashboard and check your GEO score, which shows how well your website is optimized for AI visibility. In this video, we explore how Blazely GEO helps improve your brand's visibility inside AI platforms and how to create and analyze your project using the GEO score. In the next video, we will continue by exploring the next feature in detail. Thank you.
Social media shouldn't feel like a full-time job. Posts, platforms, and constant juggling. That's why we built Blazely Social, your AI-powered workspace to create, schedule, publish, and grow your brand from one place. Getting started takes less than a minute. Connect your LinkedIn profile, company page, X account, Facebook, Instagram, and Threads. Once connected, Blazely becomes your central hub for every social platform. Next, teach Blazely about your brand. Upload your logo and brand colors so AI-generated visuals stay consistent with your identity. Then add your website, personal branding, audience, and tone of voice. Every post Blazely creates now sounds like you, not generic AI. Creating content is simple. Start with a few bullet points or even rough thoughts. Blazely's AI transforms them into high-performing social posts optimized for engagement. Need visuals? Generate branded images instantly using your saved logo and color palette. When you're happy, publish immediately or schedule it for later. Want to automate an entire month of content? Social Autopilot builds a complete publishing strategy using your website and brand context. Simply choose your platforms, posting frequency, and date range. Blazely generates content, creates images where needed, and schedules everything directly into your content calendar. Looking for conversations to join? Lead Intelligence searches recent public posts on X using your keywords. Then Blazely helps you generate thoughtful replies so you can build relationships and grow your personal brand faster. Improve your professional presence too. Blazely analyzes your connected profiles and even your LinkedIn PDF to suggest stronger headlines, summaries, and profile content. Managing engagement is just as easy. Omnibox collects comments from your connected pages, skips replies you've already handled, and helps you respond with AI without leaving Blazely. Track engagement across platforms, manage everything from your content calendar, and access every post you've ever created, from manual posts to AI-powered campaigns, all in one place. Spend less time managing social media and more time growing your brand. Start using Blazely Social today.
SEO today is more than just publishing blogs. Teams need keyword research, content strategy, optimization, and automation. But managing all these workflows across multiple tools slows growth. Blazely SEO brings your entire SEO workflow into one platform, from research and strategy to content creation, optimization, publishing, and performance tracking. Start with Brain, your central SEO knowledge hub. Capture research, notes, brand guidelines, and reference content once, then reuse that knowledge while generating blogs, bulk articles, and SEO strategies. Create SEO-optimized blogs with AI Blog Writer. Add your blog title, target keyword, keyword usage, secondary keywords, language, tone, and word count. Blozly analyzes the top 10 search results to understand what already ranks, then creates optimized content based on that. Use your brain knowledge to add brand-specific context, generate illustrations, and review every article with SEO score and plagiarism checks before publishing. Need content at scale? Upload a CSV of blog ideas and generate multiple SEO-optimized articles in one run. Transform AI-generated content into natural, authentic writing. AI Humanizer detects robotic patterns and rewrites your content to sound more human while maintaining SEO value. Find your next growth opportunities with Discover Keywords. Enter a topic and instantly uncover keyword difficulty, search volume, user intent, trends, and related keyword ideas. Turn one keyword into a complete SEO roadmap with Strategy Builder. Create pillar content, supporting cluster contents, publishing timelines, and recommended word counts. Deploy your SEO strategy by generating, optimizing, and publishing content from one workflow. With direct CMS integrations like WordPress and Webflow, Blozly lets you publish optimized content without leaving the platform. Improve technical performance with page speed analysis. Select a project and analyze loading speed across your URLs, identify performance issues, and optimize your website experience. Monitor your complete SEO health automatically with SEO automation. Track your SEO health score, review audit categories, identify technical issues, keyword opportunities, content problems, and optimization recommendations, all in one dashboard. Manage your entire content production workflow with workspaces. Collaborate with your team, organize projects, and keep every SEO campaign moving. Connect Blozly with your existing tools. Integrate Search Console, CMS platforms, and Lead Connector to publish, analyze, and manage your SEO workflows from one place. From keyword discovery to content creation, automation, and optimization, Blozly SEO helps teams scale organic growth without the complexity of managing multiple tools. Start building your smarter SEO workflow with Blozly today.